Hello, this is Don with MecSoft Support. In this short video, we're going to show you how to open a point cloud file in Visual3DPRINT 2016 and then create a mesh from the point cloud. Okay, let's get started. So let's get started and load the part file for this tutorial. From the Visual CAD main menu, select Open. And from the Visual3DPRINT 2016 Quick Start folder shown here, we're going to select a point cloud file in a CSV format. This is a comma delimited point cloud file. Now you may also see point clouds in a TXT format, which is a text delimited file. If you don't see this particular CSV file, you can change the file type selector here and point it to point cloud files at this location, and you should see this file. Let's open it. Now when you open a point cloud file initially, it's going to translate those point clouds into a mesh object or a point cloud object inside of Visual CAD. So for the translation options, we want to select comma delimiter, and then we want to check the box to create the point cloud. So here you can see we have a large point cloud object with multiple points, and if you look over here and select it, you can see that we have one point cloud and we have over 12,000 points, and also the point cloud is listed up here in the data tree. Now the first thing that we want to do is to create a mesh from this point cloud so that we can print it, and we have a command for that. Up here on the Create tab, select From Point Cloud, select your point cloud, right click, and now for all of these commands that we use in this particular video, I'm not going to call out the default value for each option, but you can in this video just pause the video and duplicate these parameters when you run this tutorial on your own, and you'll be able to follow along. So we're going to create a mesh from the point cloud. We're going to use these default parameters and pick Create. So now what you see is in the data tree we have one point cloud and we have one mesh. Now we don't need the point cloud anymore, so we're going to turn this off by unchecking the box. If you don't see these boxes in your data tree, there's an icon down here on the toolbar that allows you to toggle hidden objects in the tree. If you toggle that on and off, you'll see that the check boxes appear, and we'll turn the point cloud off. So now we see, let's turn the grid off so we can see this a little bit better. We see that we have a mesh that has a lot of holes in it. Now you're going to find that this happens sometimes when you're working with point clouds. If the program can't blend all these points together in one particular mesh, you may have cracks and holes, and this is expected. But luckily in Visual3DPRINT we have tools that we can use to work with these conditions.